On paper, flipping in a 5-star hotel sounds like a dream. Luxury location, strong brand, amazing facilities, and everything maintained to perfection. But in reality, this dream can become your worst flipping nightmare. Ciao, I'm Federica and welcome back to Flipping Dubai. Today, I want to break down what I learned while flipping in a hotel apartment and what you should know exactly before even thinking about it. So first, permits. Here we're not only dealing with the building management for approvals, but we're also dealing with the hotel operations team, the hotel chain engineering department, and sometimes with also the brand headquarters. So this means that there are a lot of layers for the approvals. In our case, we were told that only one apartment per floor can renovate at a given time. And guess what? There was already an apartment under renovation. It took us an entire month before even starting on site. In flipping terms, this means burning cash before even swinging a hammer. Once we finally got our permits, we were so excited to start on site. Finally, we say. But another surprise came up. We were allowed to work only from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., which means only 5 productive hours per day. For comparison, in a regular building, you're allowed to work around 8 to 9 hours per day, which means double the speed. So everything here took twice as long and therefore costed more. If you watch my budgeting video, you will know that in a flip, time is money. And the next one is my favorite, the guests. Remember, we are in a 5-star hotel residence, so people are here for relaxation, not renovations. As soon as you start making some noise, you will receive a call from the reception asking to make less noise and stop the works. So again, works are interrupted again and slow down. Remember, if you want to flip in a 5-star residence, be ready for 5-star interruptions. And now, the silent assassin of hotel flip. Service charges. It is true that you have a top-notch service, a 24-hour service, infinity pool, and all the amenities that you can even imagine. And it's all a dream until the service bill arrives. Service charges in a hotel building are very high. We are talking about double or even 3 times more than a normal residential tower. So even if your renovation goes perfectly, your profit margin will melt away. And if your unit doesn't sell quickly, better for you to have a very solid backup plan, like renting Airbnb or even long term. In this way, you can cover your holding fees and your service fees. But let's be fair, there are a lot of advantages in flipping in a hotel residence. First, the brand gives instant prestige. Your resale value is stronger. And finally, the maintenance is really good, which means that the value will keep over time. So if you're an end user and you want to renovate the property for yourself, it makes a lot of sense. But if you're a flipper, chasing speed, efficiency and high ROI, maybe it's easier to opt for a normal residential unit, unless you really carefully take into consideration the timing and the service fees associated with your flip. So let's recap. We said that flipping in a hotel apartment comes with some challenges. First, the permits may take longer. Secondly, the working hours are usually reduced, meaning that the renovation will take longer. Third, the guests might complain, slowing down further your progress. And finally, do not forget that the service charges are usually higher than residential buildings. So, if you want to flip in a hotel apartment, just be smart about it. From day one, if you want to maximize your ROI, take into consideration higher service charges, which will go into your holding costs, and the actual timeline necessary for the renovation. It is a beautiful concept, but it comes with a lot of fine print. So plan it carefully, plan it smartly, and enjoy your 5-star success. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you have any comment about the video, write it down below. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember, every flip comes with a lesson. You just have to survive long enough to tell it. See you soon in Flipping Dubai. Ciao!